Hi everyone, look who recently arrived. So I did a video not that long ago and I was showing all of my Tan Blythe dolls, and at the time I had 8 of the 11 Blythe dolls that are available. I think my numbers are correct there. And of course, as I said in the video, I am looking to complete the whole entire set, and Ebony was one of them. This is Prima Dolly Ebony. She is a 2007 February 1st release. And by the way, I'm reading this info off of this app if you haven't gotten it. It is a app used for looking up Blythe doll info. What's the app called? The app called is My Doll Collection. So My Doll Collection, if you don't have it, you probably want to get it if you're a Blythe collector. So anyway, so she came out in 2007. Her release is normal RBL, and she's supposed to be, believe it or not, tan. She doesn't look super tan to me, even though she is wearing a bathing suit. Maybe she's going to get tan. But her hair is very dark chestnut. Her eye chips are blue right, orange front, green left, and pink front. Her eyeshadow is purple. Her lips are red, and she comes with a regular pull string. She wears a swimsuit. She's supposed to have flip-flops and a swimming cap in there, which we will look at in a moment. And that's kind of it. She doesn't have a lot of stock. The Prima Dolly dolls usually don't have tons of stock. When they came out, they were supposedly a little less expensive. Of course, you know, years later, that's not necessarily the case. But here's her box. She's obviously a swimmer. Let's see, what is the description here? Ebony has dark skin color with short hair, and her style is comparably different from the other Blythe. Ebony is designed to be oriental. Ah, okay. She is already tanned, which matches nicely with her blue swimsuit. She looks very active and cheerful. The belt on her chest provides a lovely accent. She comes with purple eyeshadow, red lipstick. Her hair is dark brown with a straight bob with no bangs and a center part, which makes her look very refined. For the pool or beach, she has a retro chic swim cap and white sandals. All right, so let me go ahead. I've already taken off the little tape there. By the way, I purchased her from Mandrake, which I had not ordered from them in a while. I think the last time I ordered from them was in the before time. And everything was fine. It came no problem. She has a really, really cute face. I like that she's got red lips, but not overly, like, intense cheeks, you know? And that purple eyeshadow. I don't know if I have any other Blythe dolls with purple eyeshadow, or if I've really seen many with purple eyeshadow. And of course, the short hair, you don't see a lot of stock Blythe dolls with short hair like that. Very, very few. So she doesn't have a lot in here. And I will do the usual where I will take all of this stuff off of her and be back with the doll out of all of this plastic. Alright, I got her out of her polka dotted box. That is kind of cute. And here she is in her little swimsuit. So she's got some plastic on her legs. I was wondering about that. You know, I mean, she's been in the box since 2007, so let me take that off. So it feels not too bad. I think once I comb this, I mean, it feels a teeny bit greasy, but the ends are in very nice shape. Sometimes the ends of their hair will be really dry. And this is a tad greasy, but I think once I comb it, it may not be too bad. Just pull this off here. She has a white stand. Get in there. She has these adorable little shoes. Oh my goodness. These are cute. Little flip-flops. We will get those on her. Oh, in fact, they have a little can you see it? A little bit of silver at the top. So this must be her swimming cap. Oh, it's even got a little strap on it. Okay. I can't imagine ever displaying her in this, but it's a cute little touch since she is a swimmer. All right. Let's see, do I have to take her clothes off to get off the plastic? Probably. Oh, this is all one piece. All right. Dolly nudity, here we go. She's in good shape. Very nice. I could barely see the holes there. Let's get her bathing suit back on her. Alright, let's check out her eye chips. She doesn't have any special eye chips. Like I said, this mold is an RBL. Got my orange. Green oh, that's cute. The green are really pretty with that eyeshadow. Pink. Oops. Uh-oh. What's going on here? Oh my goodness, these are not flipping. They were working. Uh-oh. Well, that's a bummer. Well, yeah, her eye mechanism is not working now, and I was careful. I mean, one of the things when you're pulling on this, you're supposed to pull you pull straight, you don't pull at an angle, and I did that, and you can hear it. It's not catching, so I suspect that there's a little spring inside of there, and I suspect that the spring is not attached, because I can't even roll, like these eyes won't even let me roll these eyes. I don't know. Oh yeah, okay, I can roll the eyes by hand. Let me try it now. Oh, so something's wrong with these pink eyes. If I hand roll, they work. That is weird. Huh. Well, I'm going to leave her on the green for now. I guess at some point I might have to open her up and check her out. Bummer. Not completely awful, but, you know, she was not cheap. I did get a good price for her, which is why I finally pulled the trigger on her, but of course, originally she was probably under $100 when she first was released, and she definitely was not under $100, so I'm going to comb her hair out a little bit and then put her on her stand with her shoes, and we can take a look at her. Real quick, here she is with her hilarious swim cap. It does have a working buckle. I'm just too lazy to attach it. I could attach it if I wanted to keep her in this, but clearly I'm not going to, but she does have a cute face. She does look cute in it. All right, now I'm putting her shoes on. I'm going to put her in the stand. All right, I've got her in her stand. I have her shoes on, which are super duper cute. Of course, they don't have spaces between their toes, so when they have flip-flops like this, they're not the best shoes as far as staying on their feet. But if she's just hanging out on her stand, that's fine. I also noticed that she doesn't touch the bottom, which That's a little weird. Usually their feet touch the bottom. I don't know. I think I have that stand in there as far as it'll go. I really tried to get it in there. And it's underneath her rib cage here, which is where it's supposed to be. So, you know, hopefully she won't flop over. Her hair is really nice. I gave it a comb. It does kind of fall into her face sometimes, so I have to be careful about that. But I'm fine with her hair. I don't think I'm going to give it a spa at this point. I think it looks good. I think her hair falling in her face might be an issue at some point. I did notice that I had to mess with it to get it to stay out of her face. See, there's a strand, stray strand right there. But now as far as her eyeballs go, yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do about that. I'm going to leave it for now. At some point, I have a few dolls that I need to do some operating on, so I might pop her head open then and check about it. Obviously, I'm able to roll them with my hands, and some of the eyeballs work fine when I pull on the pull string. But it is a little weird that some of them work and just the orange ones or the pink ones don't seem to want to go away when I flip to the pink ones. So if you have any thoughts on that, feel free to put them in the comments below. And obviously there'll be a update on this doll in the future. I'm not just going to have her wear a bathing suit all the time. And I want to find out what's going on with her eye mechanisms. So look for an update about her in the future. Otherwise, if you guys want to see more videos about my doll collection and sewing and crafting and all that stuff, I hope you take a moment and hit the bell icon and subscribe. And also give me a thumbs up so that YouTube can find me and suggest my videos to other doll collectors. And thank you for stopping by. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.